Ever found yourself mesmerized by the intricate workings of a car engine, marveling at the symphony of moving parts? Or perhaps you get a thrill from troubleshooting a mechanical issue, the satisfaction of restoring order from chaos. If so, the role of a vehicle maintenance manager might just be your calling. This isn't just a job, it's about being the guardian of mobility, ensuring that vehicles run smoothly and safely. It's about leadership, problem solving, and taking pride in a job well done. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you under the hood, revealing the inner workings of a vehicle maintenance manager's world. We'll explore the daily tasks that keep the wheels turning, the essential skills needed to excel, and the challenges and rewards that come with the territory. Get ready to discover if you have what it takes to master the art of vehicle maintenance management. A vehicle maintenance manager's day is anything but ordinary. Imagine yourself coordinating a team of skilled technicians, each specializing in different areas like engine repair, electrical systems, or bodywork. You're responsible for scheduling and supervising their work, ensuring that repairs are done efficiently and to the highest standard. Your keen eye for detail is crucial as you inspect vehicles, diagnose problems, and authorize the necessary repairs. Beyond the technical aspects, you're also the bridge between the shop floor and the management team. You'll be managing budgets, negotiating with suppliers for the best prices on parts, and keeping meticulous records of all maintenance activities. This requires strong organizational and communication skills, as you'll be interacting with a diverse group of people, from mechanics to suppliers to senior management. Are you ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into the heart of the automotive world? Stepping into a vehicle maintenance facility is like entering a living, breathing organism. The air hums with activity, a symphony of clanging tools, hissing air compressors, and the murmur of technical jargon. You'll be surrounded by a team of highly skilled individuals, each with their own expertise and quirks. Building strong relationships with your team is paramount, fostering a culture of collaboration and mutual respect. The work environment itself is dynamic and ever changing, demanding adaptability and a cool head under pressure. You might be dealing with a sudden influx of vehicles needing urgent repairs, a tight deadline for a fleet maintenance project, or the ever present challenge of keeping up with evolving vehicle technology. But amidst the controlled chaos, there's a tangible sense of camaraderie, a shared passion for the art of fixing things, and the satisfaction of knowing that your work keeps the world moving. Like any journey worth taking, the path of a vehicle maintenance manager is not without its bumps. One of the biggest challenges is staying ahead of the curve in a constantly evolving industry. New vehicle models are launched each year, each with their own technological advancements and complexities. This requires a commitment to continuous learning, attending training sessions, and staying updated on the latest industry trends. Another challenge lies in managing costs and resources effectively. Parts need to be ordered, inventory managed, and labor costs controlled, all while ensuring that the quality of work never falters. This requires a delicate balancing act, demanding both financial acumen and a deep understanding of the technical aspects of vehicle maintenance. But for those who thrive on problem solving and finding creative solutions, the challenges become opportunities for growth and innovation. The life of a vehicle maintenance manager is not for the faint of heart, but for those with a passion for the automotive world and a drive to succeed. The rewards are plentiful. The satisfaction of bringing a broken down vehicle back to life, the camaraderie of a close knit team, and the knowledge that your work keeps people and goods moving are just a few of the intangible benefits. On a more tangible level, vehicle maintenance managers enjoy competitive salaries, job security in a constantly growing industry, and opportunities for career advancement. The skills you acquire are highly sought after, opening doors to roles in fleet management, automotive consulting, or even starting your own repair business. So, if you're looking for a career that offers both personal and professional fulfillment, buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride.